64 chairs. Oh yeah, so back in 2018, this lift replaced the well, it's not the last remaining. It replaced 1980 triple lift.
So I don't want to leave your brother on the topic. Take a second, I just want to make sure that
It was named at... Oh, the gate's already open. How about that? I didn't even need a pass to get in. Oh boy. Yeah, we're going to chair 65. Here we are, 65. Okay, so the original lift was built in 1980. Named after newscaster Lowell, who was one of the first to scale this mountain. He died in 1981. And there was there's a triple lift built right here that was named in his honor. 38 years later, in 2018, this lift was built. And there's chair 74, the last chair in the lift. Yeah, it is the shortest express lift here. They were in chair 65. Okay. Oh boy. I swear to God, this phone's not charging. The battery's gonna be dead before I know it. Slowing down. Yeah, that would be quite an embarrassment. Oh boy. Yeah, the hazy top. Get the hazy top again. Yeah, there's the top terminal over there. Like I said, it's the shortest express lift. But is it the shortest lift at the Thai resort? No. That's actually the Port de Soleil. Oh my. Come on now. 0 degrees Celsius, how about that?